Hi all, it's YoManJared. Today and we're gonna play Visual Simulator in Life. I've started a few days ago, which is not bad, and I've completed a pretty few quests. And my quest line is currently to get the Star Jelly. But seriously, 20 quests for a Star Jelly? Not worth it. They should replace it to a Star Egg. Anyways, we're just gonna collect the pollen from the clover field. Oh, we got a red extract from a ladybug, which is crazy if you think about it. For this video, I just wanna complete these two fields, which is simple, alright. I was just checking if things are working and stuff because it's my first time using a screen recorder and yeah. By the way, I just do this thing for fun only, more like a passion project something. So at there's at least I can do just to ease up my boredom. I've been wondering also, is Vector B uh maybe good for average person or casual, player? Cause I've gotten it since the day I started playing this one, and it is one of my first piece, which is very rare to have. So that's why I wanted to know if it's good or anything. Oh, we're 300k in the Cloverfield, which is not bad at all if you ask me. Some left, it's gonna take a lot of time, but yeah, you have to be patient. Now I've seen multiple progression guides in Visual Simulator, so I'm just gonna use them to help me progress and stuff. It's already nighttime. Dang, not bad. But I only like night time because I need stickers. Now I don't know what are these bugs. I don't know what they do because I haven't seen them much. Yeah, and we're already done with the clover. soft wax because I need more honeysuckle and I need more royal jellies, which honestly kind of sucks if you ask me. Hello, 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 hello. Alright. Yeah. As I've said before, this is my first time like using this application and stuff. So I just wanna know if things are working. Wait, just there we go. It's just you and me now, I guess. Or if you want, yeah. You know what? Let's turn back the music because no one will have anything. If you're asking me what am I buying tickets, I'm gonna say based on those progression guide that I saw on TikTok or social media, uh, I'm just gonna save up to 500 tickets and buy Tabby. And they said it's arguably the most or the best event fee in Bridgeport Let's see my budget. I only have 13 hours of playtime, not which is quick. But for a beginner, I would say that's kind of solid. Like before I farm beast farm for hours, for 1 hour each playing session. But somehow I always forget to place the tickets besides brown bear. Yeah, here I need tickets for this. Seriously. Let me think. Regarding on my tickets, I actually wasted 100 there because like uh I was supposed to get what was it again? I honestly can't forgot. But I think I was oh yeah, the guard, the haste guard. Or the no, the looker guard. So they need stingers, right? I you need 5 of them, and I got none because I don't find some bee called vicious bee, and I rarely find them. But when I do find them, I likely avoid them because I can't because they have too much HP and I can't take them down in time, and it's gonna take a very long time. And so like I have 20 bees at that time, and like I went to the 20 bee zone. I was gonna buy some stingers, which is a bad idea, honestly. Like I just realized at this point that buying anything, stingers, I don't know what currency you use for to buy down, but I think it will be probably NT or so because I've never used it before. Buying necessities things with tickets are like except for using the HP pretty unnecessary because you'll just waste. Oh, would you look at that? It's already since it's my first video or something like that, let's have a bonus and I'm gonna do one quest on Grounder and after this is I'm gonna log off for now. White and not bad. I'm just gonna go to my hive to you know convert. So if you see here, I have Vector V on level 7. And like recently, I finished Mother's Bear quest line on Star Egg, which gave me Gifted Lion B, which is a gifted legendary, which is supposedly rare, and I hope it's not that bad. But let's see. I kind of forgot. Uh, According to my knowledge, if you have like a gifted B, there's like a gifted hive bond. So let's check what gifted hive bonds I get from Lion B. 5 plus 5% gifted B pollen. I mean, if it like applies to all of like gifted pollen like abilities, gathering, stuff like that, it is kind of like uh still using you can still use that buff, but it is underwhelming if you ask me. Oh, and like I only have basic features, like yeah. Oh wait, I'm sorry, but to continue my story earlier, I said I wasted a lot of my tickets, right? So like um I was gonna buy stingers using tickets, right? Eventually, so I was supposedly gonna buy like three of them or like five, but I suddenly click on the next one, and without thinking, I suddenly press buy, which is a huge mistake because that like allowed me to purchase 10 stickers, which consume 100 tickets, which is a lot. And like I wait, like right now, my tickets could be 300, 373 like tickets, and which is so sad because I just wasted a bunch of stingers. Yeah, it is kind of like pitiful that